Hello and welcome to Cooking with Confidence. In this new series on our channel, we will be bringing you quick and healthy recipes to whet your taste buds and delight your stomach. So let's get started. Today we're going to be making a scrumptious turkey salad. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Now add 4 ounces of ground turkey into the mix. Add a pinch of salt and black pepper. Continue stirring the turkey until brown. Once complete, put it to one side. Next, select 4 juicy leaves of lettuce. Make sure to slice them up into very small pieces. Next, gather them up and put them in a bowl for later. Select a medium-sized tomato and slice the tomato into very small segments. Once complete, place the tomato in the bowl with the lettuce. And now you can add the turkey in as well. Next, select 6 small pickles, slice them up into small segments. Once complete, place them in the bowl with your other ingredients. For everything exercise related, make sure to keep yourself subscribed to Weight Confidence. Click that bell notification and make sure to smash that like button. Now back to the video. Place 1 teaspoon of light vinegar along with 1 teaspoon of onion mustard, 1 teaspoon of low-fat mayonnaise, a small pinch of black pepper. Give it a little whisk until smooth. Add your dressing to your salad and mix thoroughly. Add half a tablespoon of cheddar cheese. And your meal is now ready to be served. We've even included a handy breakdown of those micronutrients. If you've liked this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on the next great meal. Thanks for watching and we'll catch you next time. Goodbye.